Yes, although not much of that in the sky at the moment, Susie. And it was a perfect morning to get out and watch the sunrise, but also the beautiful full moon setting at the same time. But under clear skies, it was chilly with a frost for some of us to start the day. But this morning there has been a lot of this beautiful blue skies and unbroken sunshine, and I think we're going to keep skies like this for this afternoon. Temperatures already around 7 to 9 degrees Celsius and light winds, so it's a lovely afternoon, January afternoon, to get out and about, remaining dry, and it stays that way overnight. But underneath these clear skies we are going to see some areas of fog developing. These could happen just about anywhere, and it's likely to be dense and freezing fog in places like last night. Some spots could fall as low as -3 to -4, so widespread frost and some icy stretches too with those light winds. And the Met Office has issued a yellow warning for that fog. Some really tricky driving conditions overnight tonight, but also tomorrow too. This warning stays in place until midday tomorrow because with high pressure in charge there won't be a lot of wind underneath that, and so it's not going to be very helpful when it comes to clearing this fog away. So some of us could see it lingering perhaps even into the afternoon, but it is looking dry. We will see a fair amount of cloud feeding in from the continent, and temperatures, well, these are the highs, 4 to 6 degrees Celsius, but where we have any stubborn areas of fog, temperatures may not actually get this high, and we'll have those light southwesterly winds. Then on Wednesday, it looks like a couple of weather fronts moving through. They're likely, especially the second one, to introduce some patchy rain at some point, but we're really not quite sure about timings. But hopefully on Wednesday some fine and dry weather too. And then late on in the day on Wednesday the wind's picking up, and that could drag in some wintry showers towards the coast, and we keep that risk in the extreme north and east on Thursday too. But for many of us, Thursday will be a dry day, and that dry theme then continues through the weekend and into next week with high pressure well and truly in charge. But we have got a run of cold and potentially frosty nights on the way, and we'll have fog again on some of those nights too. Susie.